Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today I'm going to take a quick look at the Dustopper PRO. Now this has been all over, and I've been looking at it and thinking about buying it, and just wasn't sure if it was something I thought would really work. But I thought, well, I'll give it a try. If it works, great, I'll keep it. If it doesn't, then I'll return it and get my money back. But today we're going to do the review. So let me open this up and kind of show you what comes with the Dustopper PRO kit. So you have your hose. You've got a couple of 90 sweeping 90s there. And the topper here. Now these fit, of course, instructions. Looks like there's a gasket here. These do fit the standard 5-gallon buckets. And so, any bucket will do. I happen to have a Home Depot bucket, so that's what I'm going to use. One of the things I want to point out here is that this gasket has a flat side here, and then it's like a half moon. The flat side goes down, okay? So when you putting the gasket in, flat side goes down, and you don't need to stretch this. They say it's supposed to fit all the way around the lid here. Let's just see how this works. Like I said, you don't need a screwdriver or anything. You can just push this down by hand, and look at there, it comes out perfect. Perfect. So they cut it just exactly right. Has a couple of clips here on the side, so it clips on the bucket. Here, let me grab a bucket. I'm gonna just and just sets directly on the bucket on this side, on that side, on that side. This first time it was getting it down on there so that it seals on the seal. There you go. You have a 90 that goes here, your hose, and the rest of it connects to your shop vac. Now they recommend that you use a shop vac that's 5 horsepower or more. Mine's like 4.5, I think, but it'll work fine. And I'm going to show you, we're going to do a quick test. I'm going to show you how well this works.